Yeah. Hi kids. It's your
Hi. No, we're
mom.
not. Yeah, we're not dying. We're not dying.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I just reached Roru a while ago and I took a shower because this is probably the last time I'm gonna get to take a shower for like a week or two now, so I grabbed the opportunity. Now I'm gonna have some breakfast and we'll see where the day goes. The travel, the journey to Roru was something, but that's a story I'll tell some other day. बादल की आवाज तो कैंसिल हो रहा है क्या हमारा विलेज टूर? तो this is the third time, actually the fourth time in total that I've repacked my bag. ये अभी फाइनली मतलब पहले तो कल होटल पे नहीं, आज सुबह वो रोरू पे किया था, अभी वापस किया है, अभी बेस्ट लग रहा है. इट्स इन द बेस्ट, इट्स इन द बेस्ट. हाँ, और घर पे निकलने के पहले एक बार किया. हाँ, ओ माय गॉड, नॉट रिकमेंडिंग. मैंने और प्लस आई हैव शार्ड इन लाइक आइस कोल्ड वाटर सर के ऊपर से सुबह, एंड यहाँ पे अब गीजर है. सो बैड डिसीजंस.
फैसिलिटी मतलब होगा कि नहा ही नहीं सकते.
पूरा जो इसकी मेकिंग देखते हो ना, पूरा एंड से बनाया पूरा ये बंदा. बाद में वो भी स्टोरी, बहुत सारी स्टोरी करते हैं अपना.
We got our BPs checked and oxygen levels checked, and then we took a short walk around the village. It is so beautiful, by the way. Beyond beautiful, actually. The temples here are very, they do not have any construction involved. Like it just has wood and stone interlocked. So that's very nice. And now we're gonna have breakfast. Yeah, that's the update. Then we're gonna leave for the trek, and this is my fit for today. Quarter life crisis fit check. क्या कर रहे हो आप? Mules are used for logistical purposes like carrying ration and all of that. Focus. ये क्या distract हो गया? It's starting to rain and we are, I think, 10,000, no, 9 or 10,000 feet in. It's been a very beautiful trail until now, and look at this, guys. Wow, insane. Okay, yeah, so that happens a lot. And I'm wearing a very cute pink poncho which shall hopefully protect me from these winds. Red stones everywhere. The views keep changing every single minute, and it's amazing. We have reached our first campsite after after I don't even know how many hours honestly, but this feels so good. This feels so fucking good. And our view, by the way, also, oh yeah, so the name of the first campsite is Dayana, which means endless. So here it has like endless meadows, so that's why Dayana. And oh my god, it is so fucking beautiful. It is, we're at 11,1115. Oh sorry, oopsie, थोड़ा brain freeze हो गया मेरा. 11,115 feet. और यहाँ पे भी crows है. Can you imagine? Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the view now. Here are our camps, and this is the view of the mountains, and these are the meadows. Oh my god, insane, right?
वो पूरा वो बना दिया वो भी तेरी तरह ही बात करता है वो बोलता है नहीं आ रहे नहीं उसके साथ मैं काम
Welcome to my tent. After coming back to the tent, so मैं ना थोड़ा बात नहीं कर पा रही. I am very sensitive to cold, like very super sensitive, and but I'm like this is just one layer that I've worn. इसके अंदर सिर्फ t-shirt है, so I think this is fine only. But this is Dayara. We are at Dayara, which is one of the most beautiful campsites ever. This is not just my opinion, but this is what India Hikes says, and everybody honestly, this is one of the most beautiful campsites they have ever come across, and for a very good reason, by the way. Did you see those meadows? They look like a Windows wallpaper, not even kidding. But yeah, we came to the campsite. We kept our bags down, had a little briefing session, and yeah, we rested for a while, for like half an hour or so. Then we went for chai and snacks. It was freezing, and then मैं वापस, yeah, oh by the way, the toilets, insane. They're bio toilets, but they're not as bad as I had expected it to be. So it's been fine, and I'm loving it. Oh my god. We वापस BP and oxygen level checking है. That will be done. These are our health cards. Like, oh, I think I kept it in my pocket, but yeah, these are our health cards. Yeah, and then फिर क्या होने वाला है? I don't know. मतलब वो कुछ बोल तो रहे थे, but I forgot. Yeah, this is my camp. And the view. Do you all want to see the view? Do you all want to see the view? Do you all want to see the view? Wait, I'll show you. But ये ना मैं खोलूँगी ना तो मुझे बहुत ठंडी लगने वाली है. So I'm gonna थोड़ा wear my neck warmer and my beanie, and then I'll get out.
I don't know where yours is.
Talks about this, but surviving in the cold, being from Mumbai,
Changing your clothes in the cold, washing your hands with ice cold water, having no socks on at night when it gets like, after the evening, and one drop of rain. I have so much to say.
and this is the first warm water
Yeah, that
that we've received, and it feels like a
No
blessing.
hate, we love India hikes.
Yeah.
But please, हर जगह पे गर्म पानी देना चालू कर दो यार. Washing dishes in cold. Firstly, 2 things I hate. Washing dishes. Second, putting my hands in ice cold water when it's already like 10 degrees Celsius.
It's less than 10 degrees, by the way.
Should I check?
And such times make you feel so grateful for the most basic things ever, like warm water. Socks.
Yeah. एक
Insane.
गरम चाय की प्याली.
Exactly.
One काय ते जळवतात.
Coal. Apparently, so Dayara is, what did they say, Shepherd's.
हाँ, it's just shepherd's place where
Yeah.
there are only cows and
Yeah.
there are donkeys kicking the camp.
Yes. And so it was basically, this area was discovered by the shepherds, and then उन्होंने ऐसे खबर फैलाई होगी, फिर everybody else started coming here.
But I can.
Yeah.
See? Do you hear me?
Do you know India Hikes were the first people to
trek
explore
here,
and trek
explore.
Buran Ghati? Yes.
Yeah. So
That.
we decided to come with them only. Since
Yeah.
they know
Yeah,
the shit.
they know their shit.
And
They're
you should
giving
listen
us,
to them.
They're giving us.
When they tell you bring fleas, नहीं तो 3 लेयर पहनने पड़ेंगे जैसे मैंने पहने हैं.
Yes. Also, like, they're giving such delicious food. Like, we had full subeh, we had eggs and all of that. Abhi
The
we
fruits were so vitamin
So-
C.
yeah, and abhi we had such yummy paneer
Wow.
and fruit custard and garam
was nice.
chapati with dal rice.
I'm just
So
happy
good.
about the garam pani.
Yeah.
Like food is okay, but garam pani slaps.
Yeah,
The tastiest thing in this weather.
yeah. So this is this.
The temperature is not loading only. I think my
Net,
phone is having a
net.
brain freeze.
It's the net. I think you need net
Huh?
too. Yeah.
You just need GPS, na?
I don't know. I think we need net.
Never mind. I
That
think
was our second day.
मेरे हिसाब से तो
Second day.
-2 लग रहा है मुझे.
Genuine. I won gloves. I won woolen socks, thermal
Fuzzy
pants.
socks,
उसके
yummy.
ऊपर pants. The fleece उसके ऊपर. So there's dry fit t-shirt normal. उसके ऊपर fleece. उसके ऊपर क्या?
Padded jacket.
Padded jacket. Neck warmer. This beanie. Oh my god.
My beanie is not covering my ear only, and they are so cold since a long time. I have to look for something else. That cover up is very good. Decathlon has this neck warmer slash.
I think
it's
this is
not
the
a warmer.
this is the only vlog everybody needs
to
to.
hear.
Yeah.
Pack very carefully. Don't overpack. You are not going to need so many clothes. When it's cold,
You
are
don't
not
even change.
sweating. You don't need to change. Just stay in the kapde that you have. Carry one woolen, what is this, like pant to
Pant.
sleep at night. That's it.
Yeah.
You don't need
I
anything
carried like
else.
4 dry fit t-shirts thinking I would change every day. I am not changing for the next 3 days.
Carry poncho. Only
Yeah.
rain related things and cold related
Cold
things are
related
required.
things.
Nothing else matters. Nothing else.
And pack light, like very light.
And get a light backpack, not this. What is this? Tripod?
Tripod
No.
or something. Yeah, it's weird.
Rented from India Hikes only. I know that it's going to cause a little bit of issue that you have to go there and then pack everything. Do
But it'll
it
be worth it.
because it is light as hell. I picked up
I agree.
the colleagues.
Colleague?
Colleague. We are working. Yeah.
Teammate.
Yeah.
Teammates.
Trek buddies.
Yeah.
You know
And
all
the people
about
here are very sweet, by the way. And
The trek guides are so sweet.
I think we know everything about their lives right now.
Oversharers.
Yeah.
But
We love
cute,
that.
Cool.
Yeah, they're very sweet. The people here are generally like super sweet.
Yeah, and even the trek mates are chill.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It's a good group.
It is.
Yeah.
If you need help, someone will be there.
Everyone will be there actually.
Yes.
Like मुझे बस बोलना पड़ता है कि can you actually get that for me? And they do. They actually do.
Yeah.
Which is so sweet
It's
of
like
them.
a perfect trade
Yeah.
होता है.
Yeah, like आज सुबह like when I was removing my poncho, the guy helped me put the poncho in my backpack because I could not reach and I did not want to remove my backpack only because of Alas.
Yeah.
They're good people, guys.
I just have to tell them you need any photos, anything. They just do it.
Yeah.
And you will do it in return too because it does
Yeah.
not take that
Yeah.
much to be kind.
Oh yes.
Things that we are learning on the
Yes.
trek.
Yes.
As Mumbaikars.
Yeah, and yeah, the washroom system. It's not as bad as I thought it would
Yeah,
be.
definitely. It's not that
as bad. Yeah.
I haven't.
Pooped, but
Yeah.
I don't want to experience
I don't.
right now. I think I'm good.
I'm going
being-
to overshare. मैंने
Yeah.
2 मिनट लंबी सुसु की थी कल. I don't know. It is some mental thing that I have that I don't pee unless I feel it is clean, safe, secure.
Yeah, होता है.
But I peed here.
Here I haven't had that much water जितना मैंने पी किया है.
Yeah. And I'm still feeling like I can pee.
Yeah,
It's the cold.
It is the cold.
It's like how you go to theaters and if you don't carry your shawl, you're going to feel cold and movie खत्म होते ही फिर भागना पड़ता है toilet. Please, I hope this is not just my experience. So we are randomly talking to camera.
No comments. Yeah, but the weather here is nice, but it could have been better because the sky isn't clear. My nose is red.
Oh damn! I think no, mine is not.
Your was, but it's not now. But
I think
yeah.
you have sardi, that's why.
Yeah, probably. So
थोड़ा खोखला
it's very cloudy right now because of the rains. कल तो hailstorm हुआ, I told you guys.
Yeah,
but
that was cool. I have never experienced
that was
snowman.
very cool.
I also want to experience snowfall. Let's see how it's going. It's just day 2. But like, yeah, it should not be too cold like a hailstorm is.
Please,
Should be
I
like a
would not be able to
decent, small
survive.
snowfall where you can like collect snow.
Yeah, collect snow and I'll take it back to Mumbai.
In a Ziploc.
Give it to my friends as souvenirs. जो पानी में turn हो गया रहेगा. But I'll be like, guys, Himalayan.
This was, yeah, you should drink it.
Natural.
Very
Anyways, we
natural.
got to see the sun for like 2 minutes. Not 2 minutes, but
It was
for
very
quite
nice.
some time. I could not record. I think she's taken a picture. I will show that.
The time lapse, yeah, you can add that on this.
Yeah, I'll ask him to share.
Yeah.
I'll ask him to share. Yeah.
It's a crazy time lapse.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah. And हाँ बस हो गया यार 6-7 मिनट का वीडियो.
What else do we have to say?
What else? We're gonna watch this. Our kids are gonna watch this video.
Yeah. Hi kids. It's your
No, we're
mom?
not. Yeah, we're not dying. We're not dying.
yeah.
Hmm.
Not this time.
Not this time.
So hard to love my mind, but not the way that I do love you.
Who would have thought I'd be doing skincare with this view?
Girl, I've never loved one like. And my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that
How we fill our water in the mountains.
super hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. And nothing pleased me more than you. Let me come home. Oh, miss wherever I'm with you.
अच्छा हाँ उन्होंने बोला था कि 2-2 है. Chilling at the second campsite, which is Litham. The view is this. We're going there, which is very very far away. And कल हम जाने वाले हैं. This is my camp by the way. That's my house for the next 2 days. Tomorrow we're going to Chandranahan. Yeah, the weather's getting bad. It's going to rain.
अब तू समझेगा कि ये माफिया है. मतलब तू इशारा करेगा ऐसे, ठीक है, फिर गॉड कंफर्म करेगी कि
ये हर वीडियो में आ जाता है.
तो तुझे पकड़ सके. नहीं तुझे पता.
Girl, I never loved one like.
क्यों भाई चालू करें?
सही बात है.
We laugh until we think we'll die.
The muse,
On a summer night.
the
Nothing here is
artist.
sweeter than
You see that mountain covered with clouds?
like it's only you and me.
That's where we're going
She's
today.
got something to see. Oh.
दोस्तों आज हम पहुंच चुके हैं हिमाचलों के पहाड़ों में. आप देख सकते हैं चारों तरफ घोर सन्नाटा छाया हुआ है. यहाँ पे इंसान का अस्तित्व तक नहीं मिलता और हम यहाँ पे आज चढ़ाई करने जा रहे हैं. 3 किलोमीटर की भयंकर चढ़ाई रहने वाली है जिसमें से हम 1.5 किलोमीटर कवर कर चुके हैं. आखिर का 1 किलोमीटर हमारी मौत का कारण बन सकता है. जानने के लिए देखते रहिए.
अरे भाई तो फ्रेंड्स हम इंडिया हाइक की टीम से हैं और हम अभी जा रहे हैं चंद्रनाहन की ओर। ये हमारे साथ है, आपका नाम?
श्रावणी।
हाँ, इनका नाम श्रावणी है और हम अभी बिल्कुल असेंड कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे 75 डिग्री असेंड है ऊपर तक, ऐसा ही रहने वाला है यहाँ ऊपर तक। और यहाँ से ऊपर हमें लेक्स मिलेगी, बहुत सारे वाटरफॉल्स एंड रिवर्स। गाइस, आई एम एन
अननोन पर्सन श्योर। निकलेगा कोई फेमस क्रिकेटर। तुझे पता है ओहो, अब तक हमें तो हंसाया नहीं है। बट
रिकॉर्ड नहीं करता हूँ मैं इसके साथ।
शट अप।
इतना हंसा दिया है, इसका पेट दुख सकता है।
शट अप। बट रुक, थक गई। ये कैमरा पे आया भाई।
हाँ भाई,
हाँ सानिका।
क्रेजी सीन गाइस।
फाइनली एट द टॉप, मतलब एट द टॉप मतलब
अरे यार मत कर
अरे बता दे
एट
switch करने दे।
13,000 फीट। अरे स्विच नहीं होता, 13 पे है। यस, तो 75 डिग्री
मैंने बनाया मेरा
देखिए भाई।
मेरा 2
हाँ।
BHK का घंटा।
दिखाते हैं, चलो। दिस इज व्हाट सानिका हैज मेड, अ मास्टरपीस।
पानी से होके ही जाओगे ना वहाँ जाने
एकदम डीप। अरे मेरा एक तो हाथ इतना अनस्टेबल रहता है ना। Now descending from 13,520 meters feet.
13,005।
Yes, 13,005 feet. और सब कहीं और से जा रहा है. And we are following the river, which feels good. So yes.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, what might we say, boy? Let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me.
मारो।
पप्पी दे रहा है। कितने प्यार से दिख रहा है यार उसको।
कुछ है, उसको पता नहीं है।
We are literally in heaven. This is heaven.
Properties which are silica and mica, and they are used in fashion industry like cosmetics, nail polish, nail blush, and all that kind of stuff, glitters. So they are sourced from these kind of river banks.
Campsite on arrival. This is how the Tunda campsite is looking. We're basically above the clouds, like the fuck. Wow. I don't know if y'all can hear me right now, but we're currently in the middle of Himalayas, the Great Himalayas, and oh my god, I'm just so grateful for this experience. It transforms you in ways that you can't even describe. And so I'll tell you about today. Today we left our campsite Litham, which was at 11,000 feet, and we have ascended to the summit campsite, that is Dhunda. So there's lower Dhunda and higher Dhunda, and first obviously the summit campsite is at upper Dhunda or higher Dhunda. The views here are majestic. Honestly, I am at short of words, because you just cannot put this into words. Like what you see, what you feel here, you just cannot. I'm sorry, the video is gonna be very shaky. My tripod is in my tent and I am outside, and it's very cold. I don't even know the temperature, but we just had lunch, and yeah, the trail today was so a very wide valley opened up, and it was very amusing to see. Millions of years ago, वहाँ पे is the camera? Yeah, millions of years ago वहाँ पे पूरा पानी रहता था, and now because of the global warming, climate change and all of that, there's still water. Obviously, it's pure water, by the way. We've been refilling our bottles straight from the rivers, straight from the lakes, and it's just a very different experience. All you hear is the wind and the lake, and with every breath, with every step, you're just so aware of your being. It's really grounding. And yeah, man, I don't miss the city life. मेरे पे होता ना, मैं तो यहीं पे रह जाती. Not even kidding. I'll show you the view. यहाँ से I'm sitting on a rock here. I'll show you the view. This is the view currently.
ഭയമോ കാണാനേറെയുള്ള രസമോ ഒന്നായി വന്നിരുന്നു വെറുതെ പടവിൽ കാത്തിരിപ്പോതെങ്ങലല്ലേ കാലമെന്നോ മൗനമല്ലേ മൗനം തേരില്ലേ അനുരാഗ വിലോചനായി അതിലേറെ മോഹിതനായി പടിമേലെ നിൽക്കും ചന്ദ്രനോ തിടുക്കം പല നാളായി താഴിറങ്ങാനൊരു തിടുക്കം.
I just woke up from my bomb-ass nap, which I took on a stone, by the way, a magnificent stone, facing the mountains, ice-covered mountains, by the way, just saying. It healed me, yeah, to say the least, it healed me. So we're leaving for the summit tonight at 4 a.m. and it's going to be fucking amazing. That's all I have to say right now. I'm gonna go have some tea, and I think there's upma. So that today's climb is actually very difficult. It was a gradual ascent, but we went from 11,000 feet to 13,000 feet, which is a lot. Above 10,000 feet, your body, it faces difficulties acclimatizing to the weather and everything, to the height, and you have problems breathing. There's just a lot that happens. But yeah, I did well. I'm made for the outside, bro. I am made for all of this. I'm made for adventures. I'm so convinced. I'm not the soft girl. I am the adventurous one. I am the one whose life's at risk at all points, is what I've realized. And yeah, what else? It was yesterday it was acclimatization day. We went to the Chandranahan Lake, as I told you all, and today was I think a 7-kilometer climb. Tomorrow it's going to be a 10-hour climb, only for the summit. So yeah, it's going to be quite interesting. I love testing my limits. I love pushing through. It's my favorite thing ever, and I shall keep you updated. I'm just gonna have chai and everything, and then play some games and go to sleep by 7, because I have to wake up by 3 to leave by 4. Yeah, that's the update for now.
The air was so cold and thin, no oxygen also that time. They were feeling 1,000 needles prick in their lungs. That kind of feeling. When you breathe in that air, it's like 1,000 needles pricking in your lungs. ले ये हमारा मतलब जाने तो उसको सोचा ही नहीं
हेलो दोस्तों, सो वेलकम टू चौबे ब्लॉग्स। तो आज हमने बुरान घाटी समिट कंप्लीट कर लिया है। सो वी वोक अप अराउंड 2 AM एंड वी हैड आवर ब्रेकफास्ट एट 3 एंड देन हम निकल गए 4 बजे, पहुँच गए 7 बजे। रास्ता गाड़ फाड़ था, एकदम लग गई थी बढ़िया तरीके से। फिर ऊपर पहुँचे तो ट्रैक्टर झाड़ू था, आधा घंटा भी ढंग से नहीं रुकने दिया। एंड देन उसके बाद एज यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो देयर इज़ अ शॉर्ट क्रैपिंग सेक्शन, सो वी डिड दैट। उसमें थोड़ी कान फटी थी, बट देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल सेक्शन ऑफ अबाउट 100 meters फॉर स्लाइडिंग डाउन। वो तो बहुत बढ़िया था और तो मज़ा ही आया। तो जो रास्ता था बहुत ज़्यादा गान फाड़ था।
हाँ,
एकदम ही पत्थर
एकदम 80
वाला।
डिग्रीज लग रहा था, 80 डिग्री स्टीप लग रहा था। आज तो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था, सारा प्रेशर काब्स पे आ रहा था। और अब तो आगे 7 घंटे का डिसेंट है। हाँ, बस हो गया।
हाँ, जो पीछे पीक दिख रही है वो है बुरान घाटी। वहाँ से एक शॉर्ट सेक्शन है रैपल डाउन करने का, तो वो किया। जहाँ पे इस फोन की ओनर 3 बार फिसली गिरी।
क्या गिरी हूँ अगर वो कैमरा पे हाई रहेगा ना, मजा आ रहा। एनीवेज, हमने 15,000 फीट से रैपल डाउन किया है। तुम लोग कर सकते हो? वी आर सो कूल।
झाटू लोग बैठ के वीडियो देख रहे हैं, नहीं कर पाओगे।
एग्जैक्टली, हम देखो 15,000 से स्नो में स्लाइड किया और अब सब स्नो अंदर जा चुकी है, तो सब निकाल के हम बैठे हैं। निकाल के एज इन या व्हाटएवर।
और अभी भी थोड़ा सा स्नो वाला सेक्शन बाकी है। होपफुली यहाँ पे भी हम स्लाइड कर पाएंगे।
हमने ये पहने हैं, दीज आर स्नो स्पाइक्स विच आर worn on normal shoes, ताकि हम स्नो में चल पाए। और यस, दैट इज इट फॉर नाउ। हमने सक्सेसफुली सबमिट कर दिया है। ठीक है, think I died in an accident, but this must be heaven call. ठीक है, 3 दिख रहा है सब, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा। 3, 2, 1, go. Think I died in an accident, but this must be heaven. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Descent हो रहा है guys. हम 2 घंटे से चल रहे, 3 किलोमीटर नहीं हो पाए। 2 घंटे से ज्यादा हो गया, 3 किलोमीटर नहीं कंप्लीट हुआ। We have to do more 4 ना?
More
5.
7 kilometer of
Insane. है, हम शाम को पहुंचने वाले हैं। आई एम डेड टायर्ड।
वो दिख रही है, इधर आए तो दोनों। मैंने नए तो पहने हैं यार। मैंने भी नए पहने हैं। ब्रो इज सो क्यूट। है या
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I've never loved one like you. And oh my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy, pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing please me more than you.
एग्जैक्टली, इट्स 5 o'clock। हम रात को 4 o'clock निकले हैं। हम अब तक नहीं पहुंचे हैं। यस,
Let me come home.
या campsite is there. It's too far.
वहाँ से चल रहा, वहाँ से यही दिख रही है। मैं पहुँच नहीं पा रहा वहाँ तक।
एक दिन हो जाएगा। नहीं, सॉरी। या ये मैं कट करने वाली हूँ। या
सुनने अच्छा लगता है। इधर है 15 मिनट भी नहीं लगेंगे अब। 13 घंटे हो गए, 13 घंटे हो गए, वो भी मेरे वजह से, बिकॉज मैं तेरे को लीड कर रही हूँ।
I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here never with you. We'll laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free like it's only you and me. She's got something to see. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home.
करो करो,
Home is wherever I'm with you.
अच्छे दिख रहे हो आप बहुत। 100% natural apricot juice, 10 on 10.
ठीक है, इधर आप लोग रुक के 10 मिनट खत्म करके आ जाइए सेकेंड राउंड, ठीक है?
एग्जॉस्टेड लग रहे हो ना।
Coming from Kinnaur
Coming, yeah.
or back to
We have successfully made it to our Shimla hotel. Woo! Alive. We were going to die during our summit day, but we made it.
You have to submitted this 4 floors.
Yeah, that was something.
Yeah.
Yes, and we also have some company. We shall show you. Flash का हंसली. गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो सब.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
अच्छा अभी शुरू हुआ. गुड मॉर्निंग.
मेरा भी दिख रहा।
Okay. Got it.
क्यूट 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 क्यूट. नहीं आ रहा तू. पास आओ ना.
पास आना. Close up.
ले सकते हैं. नहीं यार,
नाम याद नहीं हमारा।
We met 2 idiots on the trek. Now they're leading the way. I don't think
Random.
we should. Yeah, this is very random.
Very scary and sketchy.
Yeah. Look at them. क्या कर रहे थे तुम? कितना funny. Yeah. This is so shady. हाँ.
मिरची चांगली लागते का?
You could have stayed.
You can't cling to the past. Because no matter how tightly you hold on, it's already gone.